What's up? We are snowed out. This is where I am right now, Virginia. I'm outside of my the building I stay in. I'm actually at college right now. This is the building I stay in. Um, yeah, the snow is freaking ridiculous. So yeah, pretty much for the next couple days, they won't see me in the classroom. I remember last time it snowed, they tried to make us go to class, but no, that's ridiculous. They won't see me in class. Yeah, just give you a little look, last look. It's only going to get worse. Yeah. We are at Virginia State University, by the way. Yeah. 2014, winter. This is what it's looking like. This is like the third snow of the season, and this is probably the worst one. All right, peace out.